What's good? It's your girl, Rich Soul, back at you again. And yes, honey, we about to get this quick and easy meal started. I got my 2 lobster tails right here. Of course, the air fryer. And I'm gonna be using this today for my pasta, honey. I done fell in love with these little packets. And then I got my asparagus over here sitting nice and pretty. Yes. All right, y'all. So the star of the hour. I know last video I said a person of the hour. That was too funny. You know, when you get recorded, you be forgetting stuff. But okay. So this is going to be the fastest, best way on earth to make a nice, lovely, juicy lobster tail. I use this sauce right here by McCormick. I'm going to use the rest of this on here. Yes, 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 yes. And kind of let them soak in there. Put some more sauce. Make sure I use the rest of all that bottle up. Okay, so yes, y'all. Flip it, twirl it, get it all in there. Let me see here. Get it all in there. I'm telling y'all, y'all by yourselves trying to record stuff, ain't this hard? I don't got no significant other or kids to help me out. All right, so what I'm gonna do is let that marinate for about 5 or 10 minutes. Just let it marinate. And again, this is the bottle I use. Yeah, y'all can see I got a whole bunch of them, a case full of them. So you can get them off of Amazon. All right. Okay, so these babies are in the air fryer. Looking like, yes, I'm ready. Almost. Okay, so I'm going to set it for 12 minutes. And about halfway through, I'm going to start basting it again with that marinade and let it cook on through. All right. It's already looking good. All right, so let me baste it a little bit. I'm going to have to pour, y'all. I had a spoon, but again, I got to hold this and do that. So, and then I'm down to 3 legs. I mean, 2 legs on my tripod. Let me see here. All right, baste it a little bit. Okay. And I forgot to say I had the temperature set on 360. So they're almost done, and we're gonna plate her up. Ooh-wee. The presence of the Lord is here. It is time for me to get it in.